Okay, so here we are at the entrance to our Gracie Villas. Just going to give you a little tour of the houses. Some are sold, some we don't know about, but there's probably about maybe 6 or 7 different floor plans in here, different models. Some have a 1.5 car garage. Some have a separate golf cart garage. And right over there, you'll see the truck and our house and our neighbor's house. Today is trash day. But we're starting to think because of the holiday, they didn't pick up. These are a few of the other houses that we considered. We had our first, second, and third choice, but we did go with our first choice. And we are super happy about it. There's another dead end. Everybody likes the houses with the little white picket fences out front and the little lanai on the front. They had a few open houses in here this morning, and they are selling like hotcakes. Okay, we're going to go around the circle one more time and show you the houses on the inside. These are the houses on the inside of the loop. Super cute, pretty colors. Some are lived in by maybe a couple weeks. Some are still empty. These people have a nice big side yard, and they might even put a bird cage on there, which is just a big covered, screened in area. But this is their backyard right here. You can kind of tell who's moved in and who hasn't, because those are empty patios. And then you come up to another one and they've got some patio furniture. That's kind of a telltale sign that someone's moved in. Okay, and that is a tour of our little Gracie Villa neighborhood within the village of Bradford. And we're coming right back out to the exit again.